My name is Rumpa Kumari. I am from Bihar, Kathiar city. Currently, I am pursuing my final year MBA with a specialization in finance from the Sarda University, Greater Noida. Along with, I also pursuing my BA/DM course from the reputed platform of SEL Guvi. Now, I choose BA/DM course because I am interested in also business analytics and business insight. I choose SEL Guvi because I came about the BA/DM course mainly through the online platform. I choose a Guvi platform because I want to know about industry ready, how to relevant skills like SQL, Power BI, and business analytics course. I know on the sites of Google. Ma'am, before joining the course, ma'am, my expectation want to gain practical industry level skill because during academic we mostly learn theoretical concept. I want to a platform where I could understand real world application of business analytics, improve my technical skill and get proper career guidance. And I also expecting support in the areas like SQL, Excel, Power BI, project building, interview preparation and communication skill because I wanted to become confident for placement and future job opportunities. My learning experience has been very positive and insightful. And the course helped me understand not only theoretical concept but also how these skills are used in real industry scenario. One thing I appreciated was the structured learning approach. The session started from basic and gradually moved forward advanced concept while made it easier and understand even difficult topics. And the most useful part of the program for me was the practical learning experience, and I especially like the hands-on project and real-world problem-solving approach because it helped me understand concept clearly and improve my confidence. I also found the mentoring and guidance session very valuable, and I also doing my project with the use of SQL, Power BI, Tabula. In this project, the main focus was analyzing customer purchasing behavior, sales trend, product performance, and operational insight related to an online grocery platform. I use analytical thinking to understand the business problems and with tools like SQL, Excel, and visualization concept to interpret the data. And also, I will make the ER diagram in this project. Because of the bootcamp, I now feel much more confident in both technical and professional skill. On the technical side, I have improved my knowledge of SQL, of writing queries, data extraction, filtering, joins, and basic data analysis. I also became more comfortable using Excel for data and cleaning, analysis, pivot table, and reporting. Along with that, I gained exposure to Power BI and data visualization concept, which helped me understand how to present insight a meaningful way. Apart from tools, I also developed my important business analyst skills like requirement understanding, problem solving, and analytical thinking and interpreting business data. Compared the before joining the program, ma'am, I feel much prepared, confident to real world technical interviews now. Earlier, I had theoretical knowledge, but I was not very confident in explaining concept practically or answering scenario based questions. After the learning session project, I now have a better understanding of how to present my skills and approach problems professionally. I feel more comfortable discussing topics like SQL queries, business analysis concept, project explanations, data interpretation, and analytical problem solving. And I also improve in communication skill, which is very important during interviews. This platform is very good. I would say that before joining any course or platform, a person should first clearly understand their own career goals and interests. Once they know what skill want to build, they should properly course structure learning support practical exposure. From my experience, if someone genuinely interested in learning and ready to practical regularly, then this type of platform can very helpful for improving both technical and professional skill. I would also advise the future learners to stay patient, consistent, and actively participate in project and practice session because growth comes to step by step through continuous learning. Very good platform of SQL Go Map.